Somebody has been doing a little more shopping over at P Louise. Gee, I wonder who that is. I'll give it back. Let's talk about it. I'll give it back. I found a mystery bundle. It was on sale. Originally, it was $82. I got it for $41. And you're supposed to get 4 items, so that would be about $10 per item. So let's see if it was worth it. And we have a discount code that will save you 10%. It's down in the description box. So if you want to try to see if they have any more bundles, I don't know if you can use a code on a bundle. But you could use the code to buy the pimple patches. And as always, P Louise, her packaging and products are just too stinking cute. I don't have a need for this many pimple patches. It doesn't say how many are in here. Oh, I take that back. Yes, it does. It says there's 48 of them. I don't have that kind of a need when we're going to scoot over a little bit so we can pop in a picture. These are adorable. Oh, just too stinking cute. Well worth the price. So I'm going to be passing these along. They have a retail of $16.50, which for 48 patches that are cute rather than just a plain dot, I think these are kind of neat. Almost makes you wish you had a pimple. This is for your daily dusting. It has a retail of $20, I think. Let me check. Yes, $20.50. Daily dusting. This is a facial cleanser. It is a powder, a rice powder. This is 1.76 ounces. And apparently you wet your hands, sprinkle a little of this on your hands, create a lather, and then wash your face. Oh, that could be interesting. I almost wonder if this was part of or something that didn't make the advent calendar where they had the baking theme. I don't know. I could be wrong. This is the Babe I'm on Cloud 9 Hydrating Primer. So apparently you can use this as a primer underneath makeup, or for a no makeup day, you can just use it as a bit of hydration for your face. The size is an itty bitty little print. 1.05 ounces. And its retail price is on here somewhere. It is $30.50. That's a chunk of change for a primer, if you ask me. I mean, the packaging and everything is cute, but I guess I'm used to getting primers and stuff in boxes, and I'm not much of a primer person, so I don't know. You tell us. Is $30 a good price for a primer? Granted, this is also a hydrating primer, so maybe that's where the extra cost is incurred. And last but not least is one of those adorable juice boxes. Makes me thirsty every time I see it. It's got 2 items in here. One is called Put a Ring on It. The other one is called Sprinkle Me Sweet. One is a lip conditioner. The other is a lip oil. I've used other versions of these before and really enjoyed them. This is the packaging for the lip oil. I just love that crown. Is that just not too stinking cute? And this one was called Put a Ring on It. And this is Sprinkle Me Sweet. This is a lip conditioner. Comes with a little carabiner type hook clip so you can clip it on. And the theme was donuts, sprinkled donuts. So there's a sprinkled donut at the top of the package. And I took a little sniff. Me too, me too. And it does have a donut-ish type scent. So these are going to be fun to use. And these together as the set have a retail of $30.50. Like we said, we have a code that'll get you 10% off over at P Louise. And this total for my $41 investment was supposed to have a value of around $80 because we're having to convert UK pounds into US dollars, so around $80. And when we added it up from the US website, it said that the retail value is $98. So I think we came out ahead of the game. Even if we are sharing one item, I think we still came out ahead of the game. Which one did you like the best? I think my favorites are the two lip products. I've used them before with other scents and I've enjoyed them. So I'm looking forward to putting them in the lineup, in the rotation, and taking a swipe with them. And there was something else I was going to say and now I forgot what it was. Forgetful in your old age? Thanks. If you order a mystery bundle, if they're still available, what we got could be different from what you might get. So keep that in mind, and I think that's it. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, tell us what you liked. Have you tried this? What do you think is going to be going on for Voxes and purchases because of tariffs and stuff? Although we don't want to make this too political or anything like that. We're just wondering out of curiosity. This might be our last shot from them for a while. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Share with your friends. And we do hope to see you again in another video. We have lots of fun stuff coming up in the fall and heading into Advent season. It's a coming. See you later.